Hi, welcome to MFL Outdoors. My name's Carl and today we'll be talking about the TBS Mark III Boar EDC folding pocket knife. The one I actually have is a hollow grind saber there, and I just wanted to give you my first views. I haven't been using it for a long time, but it's an absolutely quality knife. Okay, so the features of this knife: it's N690 CO steel, 3mm thick. The blade's 2.8 inches, that's 70mm, and the handle is 3.8, which is 95mm. My handle on mine is actually made out of curly birch, but you can also get them in Turkish walnut, canvas, micarta, and also I think they do it in staghorn as well. The option of a leather pouch. I also made a lanyard for mine, which it does help if you're wanting to get a little bit more extra grip onto the handle. It comes with a lifetime guarantee. That's on any manufacturing defects or any faults like that. Obviously it won't be guaranteed if you misuse this. It's not designed for heavy use, but it's a great UK carry knife if you're using it for work, cutting rope, any sort of general stuff like that. It is absolutely razor sharp. All I do to keep it sharp is every time I've used it, strop it on the leather and it brings it right up. It is so sharp, you have to be so careful with this thing. It's absolute quality. As you can see, that one has the red liner on it. Just a nice everyday knife. With the maintenance of the knife, all I do is I wax the handle every so often, and you can just give the knife, just keep it clean, and you can give it a bit of an oil in. Okay, this is the leather pouch you can actually buy with the knife. It is an extra, so you'll be charged more for that, but it's really worth getting. It's really good quality, as you can see. I actually also got the fire steel, which comes with a striker. It has a bit of a ruler and a bottle opener on it. Okay, so in conclusion, I do really like this knife. It's really good quality. I put the lanyard on myself, and I also you do get a bit of a lanyard on this, but I knotted it. I think it was just tied in a knot, so I've done it a little bit better. But yeah, really nice knife. You wouldn't be disappointed with it. Okay, thanks for watching. We hope this has been a help to you. Don't forget to hit the like button, it really does help the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.